Hi guys, my name is Matthias, and today on Red Minerals we are going to unbox and check out the Radiacode Zero. First of all, full disclosure, my channel is now being sponsored by Radiacode, so I received this device for free from them, so thanks again. Of course, I have been buying and using Radiacode products on my own for the past year during my trips, and I accepted this endorsement because the Radiacode has definitely proven itself to me on the field. The Zero is an interesting device as it is the high-range model of the series, capable of measuring up to 9 sieverts per hour. That high of a dose rate is truly emergency level. In a radiation field like that, you can receive the lethal dose in about 30 minutes. As the Zero has an EMP-proof capsule, it can potentially be a device that you can use as a safety compass in an event like a nuclear doomsday. If you survive, of course. Let's unbox it and see how it works. I think that's enough. The inverse square law at work. So yeah, 10 microsieverts, 20, 30 microsieverts, to 300 microsieverts. That's it.